how do we switch between charts in Excel by using drop down box or combo box. For example, here we have a drop down box. If we choose average salary, then we get the bar chart for the average salary. If we choose the total salary, then we get the total salary, or if we choose the employee, we get the number of employee. So how do we create this chart in Excel? By using combo box or drop down box. Let's take this data in a new sheet. So this is our calculation table. For the time being, we just remove all the things here. So we have average salary for a certain month, total salary, and this is the number of employee. So first we create the list of our chart type. So I just copy it here and alter ESVE. We just transpose it. So here average salary, total salary, and number of employee. Now we take a combo box here from the developer tab. Insert. This is a combo box. Now we draw the combo box here. Now right click on the combo box, go to the format control and take input range as this range. So here we take this our chart list and take cell link as I1. So this is our output cell. Now if we choose average salary, we got output as 1. If we take total salary, get output as 2, and if we take number of employee, we got output as 3. Now we want to extract the data based on our selection. So if we choose average salary, so here we write a formula: if this cell value equals 1, then we get the average salary. Again, if this cell value equals 2, then we get the total salary figure, or otherwise we get the number of employee. So here we choose average salary. Now we get average salary for all the month. Now I want to give the data label here, which we choose, because here is the average salary. We want to make it dynamically also. So here I use a formula: if this cell equals 1, then average salary. If this cell equals 2, then total salary, otherwise this is number of employee. So here we choose average salary, and accordingly we get the average salary, title, total salary, and number of employee. Now we draw the bar chart. Select the data, go to the insert and 2D bar chart. Now we edit this bar. Select the bar, go to the format and take shape fill as this aqua. Again right click, go to the format data series, take series overlap say 100% and gap width as say 100%. Now we remove the grid lines, add the data labels here. Right click on the data label, format data label, take this data label as say inside base, and go to this alignment, take text direction as vertical, and reduce this size and take font as 8 and color as white. And now if we choose the average salary, if we choose the total salary, so this is changed automatically here. So this is our bar chart. We switch between the chart by using drop down or combo box. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.